Huh? Nice. Huh? Connection that
down. তোমার অ্যানালাইসিস ডাউন
আমি এখন অ্যানালাইসিস করিনি, এখন বসেছি খালি অ্যানালাইসিস করতে। আই গট এ বিট লেট।
আমি আসি
Okay, welcome to the first ever stream of our market analysis. I hope everyone can hear everything, even though no one's on this stream yet. We have very little time today, got a bit late. We are on the E-mini Nasdaq futures for March 2024, and we'll start with the weekly chart. Today is Monday, so we're starting a new week with a very strong upward momentum from last 2 weeks, as you can see with the two huge green candles. We have had a little pullback from the start of January, but we have more than covered up for that, and now looking for new heights in Nasdaq. We are at 17,518 right now. That's some great momentum that we are seeing in Nasdaq, but we have pretty good news events coming up. We have GDP news on Thursday and PCE on Friday, which will be like a major indicator of what the FOMC meeting will turn up next week, and for all the interest rate cuts that the traders are pricing in for this up move for this year. So let's get back to it. I think this week will be a bit muted until we get the GDP data. But until then, I don't think we will have much more higher prices. We won't see much higher prices. Possibly we'll see some inflection from Wednesday, but Monday and Tuesday we should be pulling back a little. If not, we will be stuck in a range probably. So that's all the assumptions. Let's see what the charts say. Let's get into the daily chart. Nothing much to add after last year. We have this daily OB marked at 169.85 from last Wednesday. adjusted. Yeah, as I was saying, we have this daily OB starting from 16980 from last Wednesday that we might see, and there are these huge imbalances on top of this, so we can see some of these imbalances getting repainted, or even this OB to get retested, but that will need significant amount of selling pressure, which I don't think will come if we don't see any negative news from negative news from the GDP and PCE data. Yeah, so we have this daily level that we'll be watching for. Coming down to the 4 hours, we have refined the daily OB to a further 4-hour OB, just so we can keep a watch on this. Yesterday we saw some bigger consolidation on this level, and we have this is the 4-hour OB now that we want to see. Definitely should be able to come down here and retest it. This will also be the possibly the 4-hour boss, or at least in the zone of that. We already retested it, but we can retest the OB above it. To the upside, we don't have much zones marked because obviously we are at the all-time high, so we don't have any supply zones marked as such. We might be able to get some more data on the DOM, but we are not doing any of that in this segment. Okay. Quickly, let's mark yesterday's previous day's highs. Yeah, we are above previous day highs, but still it's good practice to mark previous day high and even previous week high, which is same as the previous day high. So no point in doing that again. Let's check again. Yeah, that's correct. Okay. Yeah, and today's high is also the London session high, so we'll be marking that as well. Okay, let's see now. I have these huge imbalances below today's range, so we'll be looking to get to those. Okay, coming down to the 15-minute, we have the Asian range, which had this. We'll be marking the whole of this range, to be honest. This we springboarded up from this in the Asian range, and then we sort of ranged around until 6 p.m. IST, which is I think what it would be 7:30 New York time, and then we dumped below it. Now we are trading below it. I think we'll be reaching for this level. To be honest, I want to see us break this level and come down and trade out here, but we are obviously reactionary with our price action, so let's see what happens. If we want to see, we can do some sort of breakout trading. If this level fails, come down here. There's some supply here, but not a lot. So we can trade up until here, 250, 270 or so. So we want to come down to here, at least, right, to this OB. Yeah, I guess that's about it. We are trading quite above the yesterday's value area. So things don't look very good for shorts, to be honest, but we are very overextended to the upside, and without much catalyst, I don't see how we can go further above from here. This doesn't seem like a good. This is a flip zone. This is a flip zone for this. So if you want to go short, you can also look for entries out here. The start of the market is very volatile and very much sensitive to supply and demand zones. So even very low probability supply zones have a lot of volatility, a lot of liquidity being injected right in the moment. So this might also be, even though it looks not very well formed, it can in the short time frame, it can still give very potential trade setups. Yeah, so we'll be watching this, and yeah, I think that's about it. Let's put markings here. Yeah. Okay. Let's mark this just so if we come down here, reminded to get the fuck out of it if that ever happens. This is a huge zone though. Don't see myself holding the trade up until here, but who knows what will happen. So a lot of trade happened yesterday here as well. What time was it? Okay. Might want to watch this zone as well then. This is the BOC area from yesterday, so it's definitely much more important than what I initially thought. Okay, that's a lot of range that boxes that we painted. I don't usually work with so many things on my chart, but it's Monday and I don't have much guidance at this point, so I'm going to keep these on so that I have more view on things. Okay, we are 4 minutes away from the start of the market session, so we'll be ending the stream right here, and we will be I will record my trades and I will try to upload some analysis of those trades after I'm done. Yeah. Great. See you guys. Bye. All the best. Good luck. Have fun.